like falling deeper. Cold nights 난 너무 싫어. 기다리기에는 너무 길어. 줬던 내 사랑이 식어. 기대만 하는 것도 난 힘들어. No, I can't, just can't. 가져 내 맘을, 놔줘 내 가슴을 다 바쳐 사랑하기엔 내 자신이 너무 걱정돼. 바보 같은 생각이야. 알아 멍청해. 상상만으로도 좋은 상상만으로도 힘든.
Hi everyone, it's Malia. Welcome back. Today is a special, almost special day, but it's February 11th, which is the day before my birthday this year. Woo. I'm turning 26 this year, and honestly it's very bittersweet because I can definitely say that 25 was probably one of the best years that I was able to like enjoy and have so far. So I am a little sad that I have to say goodbye to 25, but looking forward to being 26 and hopefully having another good year. Even though it's my birthday's tomorrow, it is a Saturday, so I'm actually gonna celebrate it early today with some friends. We're just gonna go out in San Jose, hang out at this like food market for a little, and then go bar hopping. So crossing my fingers that I don't die tonight. We'll see. I haven't drank in a while, so wish me luck. But I still wanted to do a few special things for myself, so I'm going to attempt to make a birthday bouquet for myself, and then I'm also going to try and just decorate a Whole Foods cake that I had. I wanted to get one of those lunchbox cakes, but honestly the last few weeks have been like really busy for me because of just work and all these other things, so I'm just gonna make do with what I have. But it's already the middle of the day. I have a few hours. We're not meeting up until like 8, 9ish, so I'm gonna try to make this bouquet, decorate my cake, and then hopefully take some pictures just for, you know, IG, just for your yearly birthday posts. It is a little gloomy. It kind of rained earlier too, so hopefully the weather clears up so I can just get one good picture. But yeah, that's how I'm gonna celebrate my birthday this weekend, and I can't wait to bring you all along. But yeah, once again, it's been a really good year. I loved being 25. Honestly, it can only get better from here. So, cheers to that. Let's make this bouquet. And here she is. Final result. Honestly, turned out pretty good. I think I should have gotten more like of the pink flowers or made them a little more visible to the front, but it's okay. It was my first time doing this, so I'm not too mad about it. But yay! I made my first ever bouquet, and honestly this was a lot of fun, so I might make more in the future. And I bought a bunch of this like flower wrapping paper, so if it's your birthday coming up, I might just make you a bouquet.
3, 2, 1. Arguing again, arguing about something so simple. Make it clear, tell me why you're running back to him.
Hopefully I can cover it up with the flowers. We'll see. If not, we're just not gonna look at the top, but let's just experiment.
How have you not figured it out? Ooh, dry your eyes. The world can always give you reasons to cry. Understand you're stronger than you know. There's power in your bones. The flowers that you've grown were watered by your tears. You say you're growing old. One day you're gonna fold. Amazing how you go unbothered through the years. But if you just let go and fall into the garden that you grew, you would finally know that you don't have to be somebody new. So you finally running far away from your history, but there's clouds over your head every time, and they keep following you with no clue of what to do. I can make them vanish if you let me shine. You like to put somebody else's happiness before your own. I see the weight of Atlas on your shoulder.
Taking 1,000 photos. One. Happy birthday!
You're stronger than you know. There's power in your bones. The flowers that you've grown were watered by your tears. You say you're growing old. One day you're gonna fold. Amazing. just let go and fall into the garden that you grew.
Jackie's my best friend from high
You don't have
school.
to be somebody new. And this is only fair. Now go ahead and let your hair down. Place some flowers under your hair. You don't have to care about anything you used to care about. When you wanna smile, I'll be there. And this is only fair. Now go ahead and let your hair down. Place some flowers into your hair. You don't have to care about anything you used to care about. When you wanna smile, I'll be there.
I ended up at a club. I don't know how. Attention, you two! My worlds are colliding. Makes me the best, Tesora. My worlds are colliding. Sweet creamy. They're gonna get me demonetized, are they? Demonetized? No, not you, because you're pretty. So what? She's pretty. Maybe argue. They're gonna get me demonetized. Go away. To cure me. Oh, I'm so ugly. Good morning, everyone. It is the morning after my pre-birthday festivities. Last night was a lot. I will say that. I kept saying I was overstimulated just because so many of my friends showed up. More friends than I was expecting. I was only expecting like a group of 10, and maybe there was like a little less than 20 of us. So definitely a wild but fun night. Thank you to all my friends who came out. It honestly meant a lot to me. I think when they told me to say my speech, I was like, I have a small cake and I don't know if this is gonna feed everyone. Also, I didn't know I had a lot of friends. I didn't know I had this many friends. I just really appreciate all the people in my life. Last year, I spent my birthday by myself in Korea, so I really wanted to like spend my birthday this upcoming year with friends. Just because I'm gonna be honest, even though it was very liberating spending my birthday by myself in Korea last year, it was lonely and a little sad at times. So it was really, really nice to like be able to finally spend my birthday with like all my friends and loved ones all in one room. My worlds were like hella colliding last night. My worlds are colliding! It was just wild. Anyway, shout out to all my friends who came out. I love you. Today is my actual birthday, February 12th. And even though I'm still recovering from last night, I have a few things planned. I'm gonna go home real quick to say hi to my parents on my birthday. And then after, we're gonna go to a friend's house to do a quick little superbowl party. And then I'm gonna go eat dinner at haidilao for the first time. Very excited for haidilao. And then the grand finale, I'm gonna go watch Disney on Ice. I love Disney. I couldn't go to Disneyland, so this is the next best thing. Also, shout out to Jackie for dropping off Harris baguette for me. And a Sprite. The one thing about turning 26, you cannot party like you used to in college. That is for sure. You did not! I can't wait to put ribbons on it.
prefer when I'm by myself. I don't wanna hang around y'all. Pray for good health. One day I'm really gon' ball. Fuck around and buy the whole mall. Breaking that cake, flexing 700 in the bank. Not a superhero, I don't save. Look at my face, look at my grades. Don't match up, no love, fuck a date. I just fade when I hit the jack. You can keep the pie. Every night I gamble, I stop. Yeah, when I check the cost, I was like,
oh, that's expensive.
ay, rolling flex in my ear. You a fucking odd, you weird. Which way I'ma steer? Know the bags of money be near, but you don't really see it till it's here. That's all I do since I was 17. Cutting up tofu. All you lame soft don't speak. Fucking I don't know you. Yeah, get run through by my team.
Dropping them hits like Blitz. I bought my cheese like Ritz. Fuck a vacay, don't trip. Y'all don't know people like this. 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 Dropping them hits like Bliss. I bought my cheese like Ritz. Fuck a vacay, don't trip. Y'all don't know people like this. 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 Y'all don't know people like this.
Hello everyone, it is officially a week since my LA festivities. I didn't really vlog too much during my LA celebration, but it was crazy, as you may have seen. I decided to have like an LA birthday trip just because, as some of you might know, I went to school in San Diego and a lot of my friends coincidentally are from like the LA area, SoCal area. So I didn't want to like put the pressure on them to come to the Bay to celebrate my birthday with me. So I decided, why not just go to them and have a birthday weekend celebration times two. And at first when I was like telling people, they're like, you're crazy, or like that's doing a little too much. But for me, I didn't mind like just going all out for my birthday this year because, like I said before, last year I celebrated my birthday by myself in Korea, which was honestly really nice, but I'm not gonna lie, a part of me was sad. Like I wish I did have like my friends with me at the time. So I really wanted to emphasize like celebrating my birthday with my friends this year. So if that means having 2 weekend birthday celebrations, then why not? But honestly, it was just 2 weeks just full of fun, seeing my friends, being like with my college friends, especially the ones in LA for the first time in a long time. Like it's really hard for all of us to get together. So it was honestly just really, really heartwarming for me. So shout out to all my friends. I think the phrase of the weekend was, I can't believe I have friends. And from past birthday vlogs, you've probably seen that I don't really celebrate my birthday that much. I think just because February is such a boring month to have your birthday in. You know, you can't do any fun summer things or outdoor things. And then also just the last few years after moving back home, after post-grad, it was just really hard to get all my friends together. So I really enjoyed my birthday this year. It was honestly just so much fun. Looking forward to this next year and hopefully doing big things, and it just made me really appreciate like all my friends that I have in my life, all the people who are rooting for me, who are in my corner. 사랑해 to all my friends. But I wanted to end this vlog with something special. So last year in Korea, I went to this cafe, Nuldam Space, where you can write a letter to your future self. And I totally forgot about this. Like I genuinely forgot that I wrote this letter. But at the time, I purposely chose my birthday for this year to have the letter sent out to you. So it arrived, not on my actual birthday, but you know, February close enough. So I decided I'm going to read this letter, hopefully not cry. We're gonna read this letter. Oh, I don't want to break the seal. It's so cute. I didn't break the seal, which is good. Here she is. Yeah. Okay, let's just read it. From 2022, Malia Heart. Hi there. Happy 26th birthday. I wonder if you forgot you wrote this, but I hope when you read it that you're truly happy with the life you're living. This trip has been so hard, but it's something you need, and hopefully it'll help you find healing and growth. Sometimes I feel like I focus on the wrong things and lose sight of what's important in life. I'm happy you're finding success in things like travel and YouTube, but my last birthday, I never felt more alone. This year, I hope you water the relationships that matter to you and become a better daughter, friend, and person. I hope you learn to love others fully, but most importantly, yourself. Love yourself to the fullest because you are an amazing woman. You are driven, creative, independent, and strong. I know you work hard, but don't forget to truly enjoy life along the way. Things have been rough as of late, but I hope things looked up this past year. And in regards to that, I hope you find clarity in it and make the decision you know is right for you. Listen to your gut and follow your heart. Love is so precious, and I only want you to be in love with not only the person you choose, but with the one who chooses you and loves you fully. That's what you deserve, and don't convince yourself otherwise. I love you so much, and I'm so proud of you for not only taking this trip, but for being you. Keep growing and loving yourself, and don't forget what's important. Love, Malia. Okay, I didn't cry, but I might cry just a little. Oh, I'm so nice to myself. Really glad I not only wrote this letter, but I'm glad I dated it for this year's birthday. I feel like I've said this before, and all of you are probably like, you always say this, but the last few months have always been rough. Very like shaky start to the new year. There's just a lot of like outside factors in my life that's just causing me a lot of stress. I'm really happy that I have this reminder from myself, my past self a year ago, and this just like brought up my mood 1000% today. So I want to shout out Malia for loving Malia. She's going to Hawaii tomorrow to celebrate her birthday once again, her 3rd birthday celebration this year. But yeah, that was a great ending for this vlog, and also a great beginning to 26. So as always, thank you to everyone who's not only watching this video, but who's just watching my journey, have been a part of my journey since the very beginning, or if you're new here, thanks for joining as well. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, please. But if not, till then, I'll see you soon. Bye.